back everyone. Today's video is on making celery juice. First, you're going to start out with some celery bunches. I'm using 3 for this video. We're going to want to wash the celery stalk. I love to use this fruit and vegetable wash from Trader Joe's, and this just gets any dirt off or any kind of wax that's on fruits and veggies. Making sure to wash the fruits and veggies that we use to juice is really important. We want to make sure we're getting off anything that we shouldn't be eating, anything that could be inflammatory to us. So what I do here is I just go ahead and I break them up into halves. I can do this with my hands at this time. And so go ahead and just make sure to get any of the dirt off. There usually is dirt at the ends of the celery. Next, we're going to rinse the celery and make sure you wash off the vegetable and fruit wash if you're using some. Now we're going to start cutting the celery. This is good to do so that it doesn't clog up your juicer. Now we get to go ahead and put our celery in our juicer. And just a reminder here, you don't have to be super fancy to get healthy. This is a Black Decker juicer. I think it was about $20. I personally like to remove the celery fiber from the actual juice. There's nothing wrong with drinking it, but for me, it's kind of like pulp in orange juice. And nothing wrong with pulp in orange juice, it's just not my personal preference. So here we're going to reduce, reuse, recycle a bit. I'm just reusing a kombucha bottle to go ahead and store the leftovers in. And there you have it, folks. You've made celery juice. Oh yeah, good job.